In this tutorial, we're going to write an expression as a logarithm. At first, we will go and read the objective of this tutorial, where it says, you need to know how to write an expression as a logarithm. Log a n equal to x means that a to the power x is equal to n. And so this is basically how we're going to dissect the logarithm, where a is called the base of the logarithm. And so in such case, we're going to have to know how to write an expression as a logarithm. And so in such case, we need to distinguish the elements of the logarithm at first. So moving on, we have example number 2. Write as a logarithm 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. And so in such case, we need to distinguish the elements of this expression, where this is definitely in the form of a to the power x equal to n. And so in such case, let's go ahead and identify these variables. A to the power x equal to n. A in such case is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 5. And finally, n is equal to 32. And so in such case, now that we have all three, we can write the logarithm of base 2 for n, and that is 32, equal to x, which is equal to 5. And so we have transformed this. Now rewrite as a logarithm. We have three examples on example 3, page 41. At first, I'm going to give you the notes that we were discussing previously, and that is a to the power x equal to n, and the logarithm with base a for n is equal to x. Now let's use these notes to solve all three examples. For the first example, 10 to the power 3 is equal to 1000. In such case, a is equal to 10, x is equal to 3, and n is equal to 1000. And so the logarithm with base 10 for 1000 is equal to 3. Now let's solve part B. We have 5 to the power 4 equal to 625. And so a is equal to 5, x is equal to 4, and n is equal to 625. And so the logarithm for base 5 for n, which is 625, is equal to x, and that is 4. Finally, 2 to the power 10 equal to 1024. A, in such case, is equal to 2, and x is equal to 10, and n is equal to 1024. And so the logarithm with base 2 for n, which is 1024, is equal to x, which is 10. And so now we have solved all three examples in rewriting as a logarithm. And so a basic conclusion is the logarithm of 1 with base a is equal to 0 when a is greater than 0. And that is because a to the power 0 is 1. And also a logarithm of a with base 0 is equal to 1 when a is greater than 0, since a to the power 1 is equal to a.